Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Casetify and Billionaire Boys Club collab Magsafe wallet. I'm going to be doing this on the iPhone 12 mini, but it's going to work on any of the 12s and the 13s. Any phone that's going to have that circular magnetic ring on the back, that's what this is made for. It's not like an adhesive stick-on case. It's looking really nice. It's a nice pleather. Feels good in the hand. It feels like it should last over time too. It's going to be interesting to see how that logo on the front lasts over time, or if it'll flake off or wear off. I'm not sure. We'll find out. First impressions though, I really do like this case. The magnet is pretty strong. I haven't gotten the Apple Magsafe case to compare and contrast, but just off first impressions, I mean, it's on there pretty good. Here you'll see me really try hard to just get it off of there, and I'm putting a lot of force. I'm trying, like it's good. It's not coming off of there. And I've even put it in my pocket a few times to see if it'll just fall off or anything like that, and it's not. It's pretty secure. You can see I have the Apple Magsafe case as well, just to see if it's gonna be the same hold with the case. And if you have one that has that magnet in there, it's looking like it's gonna have the same level of strength. It's good. It's not going anywhere. So just off first impressions, I'm really impressed by this case. I'm a fan of Billionaire Boys Club in general, so I was excited to see this pop up. As you can see, I'm putting in 2 cards just to see how it would be. And from my experience, it's been very smooth getting the cards in and out. I did try to put a 3rd card in there off camera, and it was way too tight. It's not going to work at all. So you're really stuck to 2 cards. So whatever you can fit, whatever 2 cards are the most important to you, that's what you're going to want to carry. I'm also coming from using an iPhone with the battery cases on there, so that extra hump and the feeling that's on the back is a lot similar, and it feels natural to me. And like I said, it's a very nice pleather. It's soft, it's comfortable. It also feels pleasant in the hand. Overall, this is a really good looking case. It costed $40. I think it's worth it. I think if a normal Casetify case costs $40, why not get a little bit of branding? And I'm in love with the slogan on the bottom. It says, "Wealth is of the heart and not of the wallet." Just some general thoughts on the case. I'm really excited to see how it lasts and looks over time. I think it's gonna hold up pretty well. If this video, please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.